You know that excitement you feel after creating a video? It makes you want to hit public immediately so your YouTube video goes live for everyone to see. You feel proud, like you should win an award for it. Very good, very nice. But let me tell you, that's not the right way to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to upload your videos so you can get the views you deserve. If your videos get low views, low subscriber accounts, or even low watch hours, chances are you're making a big mistake. Don't worry, we're going to fix that right now. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to stay updated with more tips like this. Now, let me explain why you need to stop hitting public the moment you upload your video. When you upload a video and immediately set it to public, you're not giving YouTube enough time to analyze your content. YouTube needs time to figure out who your audience is and who they should recommend your video to. This is what happens behind the scenes. YouTube studies your video, your description, your title, your hashtags, and your tags. Based on that, they decide which audience is best suited for your content. This process is what creates those YouTube recommendations you see when browsing. But if you upload a video and publish it right away, YouTube doesn't get enough time to study your content. That means fewer recommendations, fewer views, and missed opportunities. So if you've been struggling with low views, this is the reason. What should you do instead? When you upload your video, don't choose public right away. Instead, you have a few better options. 1. Unlisted. Set your video to unlisted for about 24 hours. This means only people with the link can see it, but more importantly, YouTube gets the time it needs to study your video. During this time, don't share the link with anyone. Just let YouTube do its thing. 2. Private. You can also set your video to private, which means no one except you can see it. This is another good way to give YouTube the space to analyze your content. 3. Schedule. The best option is to schedule your video. Here's how it works. When you schedule a video, it remains private until the day and time you've set. YouTube uses this time to process and analyze your video, ensuring it's ready to be pushed to the right audience when it goes live. And here's the best part. You don't need to keep your internet on for the video to go live. Once you've set the time, YouTube will handle everything. 4. Set as premiere. If you want to build excitement, you can also set your video as a premiere. This advertises your thumbnail and topic before the video goes live, so your audience knows what's coming and when. Now, let me show you a quick step-by-step guide to scheduling your videos properly. Just like I've taught in one of my other videos, we'll be using the YouTube dashboard method, which is the best way to upload your videos. For those who are new, kindly check out that video. It reveals a lot of secrets and tips you don't want to miss. Okay, so now go to your browser and search for YouTube dashboard. Click on the first link, wait for it to load. Now, upload your video using this plus sign or the upload button. Either option works. After it uploads, switch to visibility after adding your title, description, thumbnail, and playlist. Choose schedule and set your desired date and time and confirm. If you want, you can also set it as a premiere for extra visibility. For example, if you want your video to go live at 6:30 p.m., just select the time, and YouTube will handle the rest. You can also switch between AM and PM by clicking on the option. It's as simple as that. Remember, scheduling is the best way to upload your videos. It gives YouTube enough time to analyze your video and ensure it gets pushed to the right audience. Stop rushing to hit public. Take your time and let YouTube work for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll see you in my next video.